Greetings, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into y'all energy, see what the heck y'all got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. Energy is always fluid. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Let's go ahead and get into it, see what the heck is going on. What's going on for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective, free spirit? Clear, accurate messages only. What's happening? What is it that we need to know? We have dreams. Dreams is definitely significant here. Something in regards to your dream state. Pay attention to your dreams, you guys. You could be receiving messages and things. Yeah, receiving things. Okay, so it seems like you guys might be receiving messages in your dream state because it's something connected to your subconscious. And you know, the moon speaks of things being hidden and illusions that are being casted. All right, so I'm showing dream state, revelation and dreams and illusions, clarifying dreams. All right, let's go ahead and clarify these dreams. What do we need to know in regards to dreams? The color blue could definitely be significant as well. The blue symbolizes, what is that, the throat chakra. I speak. Okay. Clarify dreams. What's going on with dreams? Okay. Clarifying dreams is stabbed in the back. I'm seeing heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, and a shocking attack being revealed in your dreams. Okay. Clarify the stabbing in the back regarding the dreams that is being revealed to the collective. What is it that we need to know in regards to stabbed in the back? Would you mind clarifying stabbed in the back, please, Spirit? What's going on with stabbed in the back? Okay, stabbed in the back. What is it that we need to know? The first card that actually came out was child. Okay, or it could be something significant to childhood or something like that. I'm seeing the number 18. Could be significant. What's going on with stabbed in the back? I'm seeing the energy of manifestation. Number 95 could be significant. Stabbed in the back, please, Spirit. All right, and I'm seeing thoughts. All right, so I'm definitely seeing, I don't know, this could be a child or this could be someone that's very childish, very manipulative in some form of fashion, but I'm definitely seeing energy of manifestation, utilizing their thoughts. All right, this heart card, this could definitely be someone that you were in a connection with. What is this? What do we need to know in regards to this backstab? This could also talk about someone possibly even had a child, y'all. What's going on? Stabbed in the back? Stabbed in the back, please, Spirit. That was too many cards. Clarifying child is emotional pain, and I'm seeing that there is an energy of heartbreak, okay? And I see who's manifesting is someone that is a healer. I'm seeing that there is an energy, like I stated, there's an energy of someone trying to manifest you guys, utilizing their thoughts, and it looks like there's an energy of destruction. Yeah, there's definitely an energy of destruction here, especially when it is due to emotional pain. To a healer. Oh, yeah, like somebody destroyed a connection that you guys had. That's what I'm seeing here. What's going on with the stabbing in the back? I'm seeing that there is an energy of unexpected money here as well. Number 27, number 47, rich guy. I'm also seeing you guys receiving unexpected money with this awakening, receiving some sort of awakening, especially in regards to money. I'm seeing that there is a rich guy here, and I'm seeing love spell at the bottom of the deck. Somebody might find it hard to let go or sever ties, or this could be somebody utilizing love spell, utilizing some sort of love spell to try to manifest you back by utilizing their thoughts, utilizing telepathy. This could be someone you have a child with, like I stated, or there could be like some sort of someone being childish. I'm seeing that there is an energy of emotional pain, and whoever you are being a spirit, like someone, I was going to say spiritual. Spiritual is spiritual, some sort of healer, and it looked like there was some sort of destruction that, uh, this destruction almost comes off as a tower moment. It seems like it destroyed something, a connection that you guys have. And I see that there is some sort of unexpected money here. This dream state definitely brought some sort of awakening, especially when it comes to this person. Again, there's an energy of love spell here. Like somebody doesn't want you to move on even after they hurt you. There's an energy of animosity here, someone having animosity towards you. This person having some sort of animosity towards you because you choosing yourself. I'm seeing spirit is urging you to utilize your intuition, be led or guided by your intuition, because I'm seeing someone stepping into a power of becoming some sort of star. I'm seeing you being a rising star, possibly being in a limelight or something like that. Okay, I could be speaking to a divine masculine energy. All right. Anything else? I am definitely seeing like there is a commitment here as well. Okay, something in regards to some sort of commitment here where there whoever you're committed to has some sort of entity attachment. I'm seeing the energy of someone giving you evil eye and being very like closed off emotionally. With this Ice King energy, there's an energy of being closed off. I'm seeing an energy of manipulation. I'm seeing things coming to an end, or things have came to an end. I'm seeing an ending of a road. Anything else in regards to backstabbing? Yeah, I'm seeing an energy of somebody being unbothered and you meeting someone new and someone being jealous, like I stated before. I could be speaking to someone that's a sweetheart, or you getting ready to meet someone that is a sweetheart. And in the near future, I'm seeing you guys being single, sexy, and successful, and abandoning or walking away from somebody who have abused you in some form of fashion. Even though this person had money, they still didn't treat you right. Is what I'm saying here. All right. There's the energy of somebody choosing themselves, not what they receive materialistically. It's how they're choosing uh, energetically. What they're receiving energetically is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing there's a boss energy out here. Okay. There's energy of a gift. Okay, so there's a boss energy out here, and there's some sort of gift. What is this? With this boss energy and gift, I'm saying rich girl. Okay, it's like you're about to be receiving something from somebody that may possibly have a business of their own or financially secure. There's an energy of some sort of gift or giving you something that's going to assist you. All right, I'm seeing that there's an energy of some sort of emotion, someone having emotional instability or being emotionally unstable, and your energy as well. Stabbed in the back. Stabbed in the back, dream. Yeah, there's an energy of bondage here. Normally, when I see the bondage card, that make me think about the devil. In regards to bondage, there's energy of addictions, there's energy of secrecies, there's energy of looting, cheating, deception, obsessions, and things like that. That's what I'm seeing here. Anything else? 86 could be significant. Okay, I'm seeing there's an older male here with this mature man. Some sort of older male might be involved. And in regards to this, anything else in regards to stabbed in the back in dreams? I see a karmic masculine energy. So this older masculine male could possibly be a karmic masculine energy from what I'm seeing here. That's trying to create some sort of bondage situation or trying to stop you, hinder you in some form of fashion. I'm seeing the energy of concern. Okay. This person being concerned because if this who you're coming in contact with is some sort of soulmate of yours, this is a connection that they can't stop or hinder. Okay. I'm also showing there's an energy of self love. Maybe you guys have been on a self-love journey. I'm seeing somebody trying to stop that, possibly even trying to take you out, try to take you out or something like that. If not, it's like they're trying to create blockages, and with these blockages, they're utilizing it with gossip. Okay, not only gossip. I'm seeing this person is some sort of Jezebel spirit. All right, I feel like this person trying to keep ties to you. They might try to utilize lust or something like that. Is what I'm seeing here. I feel like there's a ritual. There's some sort of ritual here, but it came out in reverse. It didn't work. It's not working. I feel like there's an energy of it backfiring. Is what I'm seeing here. Divine feminine energy out here. You coming out as high honor. Divine feminine coming out as high honor. Anything else? I'm seeing a brighter path, a clear path, a brighter path. Not even this person's flying monkeys can stop what is destined to happen for you guys. Anything else? Number 35 could be significant. Number 67, number 25 could be significant as well. Anything else? All right. It came out as real lusty. Not only did the Jezebel came out, it came out as an energy of lust, and I'm seeing somebody change. There's an ending to some sort of situation, or ending to a connection, or ending of having some sort of lustful connection with this person. It looked like there's an energy of somebody having faith. There's an energy of meditation. There's an energy of prayer, and you being protected. There's an energy of protection around you, and someone having some sort of obsession with you. Number 83, I already knew that when I seen the bondage, it made me think about the devil. Someone having some sort of obsession with you, wanting to like have control over you, stop you, hinder you, stay connected to your energy in some form of fashion. Okay. Anything else? Anything else in regards to stabbed in the back? Look, there's an energy of somebody, it's like they're addicted to your energy. It look like you're someone that operate out of your north node. There's an energy of divinity here. And I feel like this person may be getting sick. There's an energy of like you. I feel like you guys may have taken your energy and power back from this person. I feel like there's an energy of this person getting sick again. They could possibly have bags under their eyes. I'm seeing this person trying to spread some sort of false narrative about you. To others, 89 could be significant. Number 31 could be significant as well. I'm also seeing an energy of somebody ending up in the hospital, going to the hospital or something like that. And it's like an energy of this person being held accountable with this legal card. There's an energy of justice, things working out in your favor, this person being blocked out, like I stated before, from you having some sort of divinity and things balancing out in your favor. This person is about to be surprised. Not only are they going to be surprised, I'm also seeing the energy of surprise in regards to you as well, because I'm seeing that this person is connected to a karmic female. So that may be also what's being revealed, this person trying to attack you in some form of fashion the whole time. It seems like they're coming up against you because they're entertaining other people or someone else. You'll have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.